This is the Surge Analysis Waterhammer Interactive Calculator, which calculates pressure surges in pipeline systems when flow velocity changes suddenly. The calculator has a drop-down menu for calculation mode with 6 options: calculate pressure surge, calculate wave speed, calculate maximum velocity change, calculate critical closure time, calculate required pipe wall thickness, and calculate total surge pressure. For this demonstration, I've selected Calculate Pressure Surge. The input fields are fluid density in kilograms per cubic meter, wave speed in meters per second, velocity change in meters per second, pressure surge in pascals, bulk modulus in pascals, pipe diameter in meters, pipe elastic modulus in pascals, wall thickness in meters, pipe length in meters, static pressure in pascals, safety factor, and allowable stress in pascals. Let's work through an example. I'll enter fluid density of 1000, wave speed of 1200, and velocity change of 2.5. After clicking Calculate, the primary result shows 3000,000 pascals. The secondary result converts this to 30 bar or 435.1 psi. The additional information confirms this uses the Joukowsky equation, showing pressure surge equals density times wave speed times velocity change. Notice the warning, high pressure surge detected. Consider surge protection devices. This helps engineers quickly assess water hammer risks in their systems. Find the link in the description below.